It's really oh, it's so windy. Oh no. Oh, welcome back to another video, guys. It's extremely windy today, so I haven't got much hope for this video, gotta be honest. Plus it's getting darker again. Fuck me, come on. I'm raging now. Why don't you no fucking overtake lane? It's not gonna overtake, innit? Wow, it's absolutely fucking windy today. No fun leans for me. A huge ass side wind gonna take my soul. Wow, that's one way to reverse out now, like a deck. Am I correct in saying it's illegal to reverse out of a drive onto a main road? I believe it is. I'm positive it is, actually. Oh my god, it's so oily up here. Why do that, cunt? Yeah, there's a reason I picked my line by there, straight in the middle, because the rest of the road by there is fucking shit. Oh god, there's going to be some blowback up here now. Yeah, there is. Try not to tense the bars, just try to tuck in like. Wow, it is bad today. Hey. Yeah, mamma mia, almost home, baby. Everybody, yeah, so can touch my body, yeah. Working, it's horrible weather, yeah. Can't get weather right. Do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. It's windy as hell. Oh my god, we're all gonna go. I hope it ain't like this all day tomorrow. Tomorrow as well. I'd be absolutely fucking livid. Because that means I'll need my waterproofs on if it's hammering down, because I'll have no way of and I'll be a soggy moggy when I get to work, and I don't want to sit and work like a soggy rat all morning, all night to all morning, so I'd rather not. I wonder, oh yeah, I'm still in a bidding war. I've got 7 hours left of that auction, so shouldn't be long. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.